everyone. Happy Wednesday. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. Hi, Donna. Hi, everyone. I hope everybody's having a wonderful week so far, and hopefully the weather is nice where you're at. I'm just going to go ahead and let a few more people get on. Hi, Lori. I hope everybody is enjoying February and into March now and had a wonderful weekend. So for those of you who are just jumping on for the first time, my name is Claudia Cometa. I am a pharmacist and independent skincare consultant. Is it? Send some up here because we're getting warm down here, I guess. So I come here every Wednesday bringing you tips and tricks to achieve the best skin of your life. So try to keep it pretty concise, so we'll get started. Today we're going to talk about eyes, and specifically the type of eye cream that you should be looking for. So a lot of us have problems with a lot of problems with our eyes, and some of that is puffiness or fine lines and wrinkles or darkness. And some creams really are not targeting all three, and some of them aren't targeting the primary one. So most people are dealing with puffiness under their eyes, and they're finding that their eye creams are not working well for that. So I'm going to specifically focus on that today, and just kind of hone in on that topic. So if you think about back in the days, back a few decades ago, or even maybe sometimes now, some people will use this methodology, and that is to put something that's cold and the size of our, our eyes on top of our eyes to help with the puffiness. And so something like a cold cucumber. And so the physiology behind that is the coldness actually will constrict your blood vessel. So if this is your blood vessel and the cold is applied, then it kind of just constricts like that. And so by doing that, a lot of the fluid then is taken away from that portion of our body, and then we don't have as much puffiness because we don't have as much fluid sitting there and staying stagnant. So then the question becomes, well, is there something we can do? Is there some ingredient we can have in an eye cream that can have a similar effect? And so we don't have to put something cold on our eyes, and maybe that's, inconvenient. You have to lay there with it, and it's something something you're going to be able to do every day. And the answer is yes. Actually, a really great ingredient in an eye cream that can help have the same physiological function is caffeine. So caffeine is a vasoconstrictor, and it also can help lighten up some of the darkness of our eyes too. But primarily what it's doing is constricting the blood vessels, just as some object that is cold is doing, and help bring some of that fluid away from the bagginess of our eyes, and then we have less baggy eyes, and less puffiness. So look for an eye cream with caffeine in it. In addition to caffeine, some of the other problems that I mentioned with regard to our eyes, of course, are fine lines and wrinkles. And so retinol is a great ingredient for fine lines and wrinkles. However, for a lot of people, the skin around our eyes is just a little bit too sensitive to retinol type products that are applied to our eyes. And so we might want to avoid retinol in those areas and think about something else called peptides. So peptides will be a little bit more gentle for the thin and fragile skin around our eyes as opposed to retinol. So caffeine is a great ingredient, and peptides for those fine lines and wrinkles, and you will have a great eye cream if you look for those two ingredients. So thanks for all the great comments. Thanks for joining. Thanks for popping on, and I hope you all got some benefit and value out of that, and I will see you again next Wednesday. Have a wonderful day.